The huge USA makeup unboxing continues. If you hadn't seen part 1, it was about PR. I do recommend you to watch it after you have seen this video, of course, because today we are talking about purchases. So which products are so good that despite my butt being broke, I did end up buying them? Let us see. First of all, we have Curst Kosmetics lipsticks. I'm sorry. Curst Kosmetics lipsticks. I mean, I love these. I already have 2 of the lipsticks and I have a code The Mirror with Curst because the formula is absolutely gorgeous both for lip art and for everyday wear, and because I have our Tombstone and Oracle. You cannot really see them too well in this packaging because it's slightly dark, so let me show you. The Tombstone is a true dark gray, but like not too dark. It definitely shows up as gray, not as black. Because I already used it in the lip art because I could not resist. And the Oracle one is like a nudie pink, a pinkish nude. I was honestly hoping for it to be more pink, like more of a baby pink, so more maybe like close. Actually, it does look close to this color in this light. Okay, what I meant, like I was hoping for a warm pink, which would be light but kind of vibrant. This one is more on the nude side. I'm not such a huge admirer of nude lipsticks, but it is still pink. And honestly, I tried it out with purple for an ombre. I was unexpectedly obsessed. So I'm definitely going to use this for ombres, and of course for lip art I need all the colors, no matter what they are. By the way, the same rule applies as in the first video. Comment which products you're curious about. If I get a lot of comments, I'm gonna make a video. If I just get one comment, I'm still gonna reply and tell you what I think. So I also bought the NYX Glitter Primer, which is a repurchase, and this is just something that I also use regularly whenever I do glitter makeup, especially on the eyes. I think this is the best glitter primer for the eyes that I have tried. Not that I have tried like a whole lot, but I recently got another one and it creases on me much more. The brand was called Curst Kosmetics, so I'm using that one mostly for the lips when I'm doing glitter lips, for example. And this one I repurchased for the eyes. Like, this is the one that I'm also wearing on my eyes right now. It's perfect not just for glitter, but like for sparkly, shimmery stuff, for loose pigments, for things like that. Especially for any things that are like shimmery, shiny, metallic. Probably not so good for the matte. Hey, Julia from the future here. Let's address the elephant in the room. I did my nails. Okay, I dyed my hair and I'm super happy with it, but we're not here to talk about it. We are to talk about the fact that I had so many things that I forgot about 2 lipsticks because I put them aside because I was using them so much already. And these are 2 lipsticks from Abomination Cosmetics. And let me show you the colors. And yes, I have stars on my face. Remember how I said I wanted to use stars in my makeup? I actually want to use them in a makeup look. This is exactly the look with Curst Kosmetics from the PR video. Anyway, these are the Abomination Cosmetics Pout Plasma lipsticks, and the colors are called Ghosty and Gemsud. This is Klingon, and I'm not sure I'm pronouncing this right. I'm sorry if I'm not. Let me just show you the wands quickly. The colors are slightly darker than on their website. So for example, this one, I thought it would be more of a periwinkle color. Instead, it is it is a very beautiful purple. I'm definitely using it. I actually have it on my lips. There is this purple right here. But I just thought it would be lighter, like I already have this color, and this is a very beautiful, like this is super unique. I didn't have that color. This is a very unique, bright grass green. I think the closest I had was Gavacy Beauty Cash Out, but it was slightly cooler than this one. And this one is more warm toned, so cute. As for the formula, I became very serious, some serious stuff going on here. I love it. But keep in mind, if you love the NYX Liquid Suede formula, like the old Liquid Suedes, remember these? If you loved this formula, you will love this one, because it is actually very similar. A liquid lipstick, it is pigmented. It is overall transfer proof, but it will not be 100% transfer proof. Kind of like the old NYX Liquid Suede formula, and I know a lot of people loved it like I did, because it's super moisturizing, aside from being a liquid lipstick, but I also know a lot of people hated it, exactly for the reason that it's not completely transfer proof. So this is not completely transfer proof, but it's like 90% transfer proof. Let me try. Okay, moment of truth. Clean fingers. Yeah, like a little bit. And this is also NYX Liquid Suede. So mostly I have the blue and the green coming off, but also a little bit of purple here, see? me liking these Abomination Cosmetics lipsticks, but keep in mind that the colors are slightly but darker than on their website. Okay, the next purchase is from Wicked Widow Beauty. I need some water. And that's how I drink water, not as much my lipstick. Same goes for lip art. Because people sometimes ask me that. It might not have been you. Sorry for oversharing, but here we go. And from Wicked Widow Beauty, of course, I also got the lipstick. I also have tried their lipsticks before. I also have loved the formula. I had a green and a light purple. You have seen the looks with them already. I also have a code with them. It's called THEMIRRORBEAUTY. So for Curst, it's the mirror. For Wicked Widow, it's THEMIRRORBEAUTY. And here are the lipsticks that I have got this time. That's how you know I really love the formula, because I bought black in this formula. Like, black lipstick is something that a lot of brands carry, so there's a lot of choice, and I chose this one. The color is called Poe, and this color is called Wolf. Now, this color looks very different in my opinion on their website, so it really looks blue there. It is the lipstick that I'm wearing in the middle of my ombre underneath the lip topper, so the lip topper kind of alters the color a bit, but you can see in the swatch what the color actually looks like, and you can also see it here. It's a bluish gray, so I wouldn't really call it a blue. I would rather call it a gray, but like maybe you can call it like a pale, very muted blue. And it certainly looks bluer when paired with another blue lipstick. On their website, it looks quite vibrant blue. Like, it's not that vibrant. It's more of a gray blue. And it's not something that you encounter often. Like, we have two gray lipsticks in this video, but the Tombstone from Curst is more on the darker side, and this one is more on the lighter side. Once again, perfect for lip art. Okay, the next one is... oh my goodness, this is Baby Bad Beauty, and this is the eyeliner in the shade Unrequited Love. And if you remember the story in my latest haul video that I did back in January, I got the purchase from them, the Unrequited Love eyeliner, which was the wrong color. Like, this one is the right color. Let me show you. So this is kind of a dark magenta. It's vibrant but dark. I had this color before and I loved it, but the cap broke, so I ordered myself a new one, but a different color arrived. That's what I was saying in my latest video. Unrequited Love. What? Like, this is not the color I had. These are like two completely different colors. So starting from there, and I guess that's my little review of the Baby Bad Beauty, because I've been loving a lot of their products, including liquid lipsticks. Their eyeshadows are okay, and their eyeliners are also good, and the liquid lipsticks are good. I've never had a problem, like, I've never had contact with customer service before, because I've never had any problem. And so this time, I tried contacting them via 2 emails on their website, via a contact form on their website, via DMs on the gram, and there was like no response for a good while. And I understand that this is an indie brand, and I don't expect to get a response like the same day. That is nice if they can, but also I understand that that's usually run by like one person or maybe a couple of people, and it might just be hard, something might be happening in life. So I was like, okay, let me, give them time. So after the first contact, I waited for like a week and there was no response, etc, etc. Then on the gram, they actually featured my post. They reposted a look that I did with their lipsticks, but they still weren't replying to my DMs, and I was like, what is going on? And I was just asking them if the color that I got was actually wrong, or if they had changed the color. If that was wrong, maybe they could just like send me the new one. And of course I was doing it in order for my friend to be able to pick it up, so I was kind of getting nervous already, like after weeks. And they did reply me finally on the gram saying that, oh, like, we will check our emails, like we rarely check DMs. And I was like, guys, you do rarely check emails as well, obviously, because I've been writing and writing. After that, there was no reply from them again. So like I did message a couple more times, and I was like, okay, that must be, my fate. I need to accept it. I won't be getting that eyeliner. And then my friend messages me and sends me the photo of the package that arrived from Baby Bad Beauty with this new eyeliner in the correct color. So obviously that old color was incorrect, and they did send me a replacement, but contacting them was really kind of difficult. And seeing how many lipsticks we have today, if you want to see some lip arts done with these lipsticks, there is the playlist right for you, and I will meet you there. Bye!